guys, here is your third video in which we'll discuss the question number 3 from exercise 1.1 from NCERT book. So in question number 3 it's given that at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So it's the given data. This is question number 3. We are having initial temperature, initial temperature we were having at Srinagar minus 5 degree Celsius. Okay, minus 5 degrees Celsius we were having. Now on Monday, this is for Monday, then on Tuesday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So on Tuesday it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Okay, so bit 1 temperature on Tuesday will be, temperature on Tuesday is equals to minus 5 degrees Celsius, then 2 degrees Celsius dropped. It was minus 5 and it dropped to 2 degree, means 1, 2, minus means 1 variation, 2 variation. Okay, it dropped to 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, means minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, which is equals to minus 7 degree Celsius. Okay, now bit 2 it's given that it is asking okay, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degree again. Okay, so now our temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday it rose, means it increased to 4 degrees Celsius, means temperature on Wednesday equals to, initially now we are having minus 7 degrees Celsius, then it is rose means added, it got added, what got added, 4 degrees Celsius got added, which is equals to minus 3 degrees Celsius. So now on Wednesday our temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius, which is the answer. So this is your answer for question number 3. Now we will see the question number 4. So now we will discuss question number 4. In question number 4 it's given that a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. Okay, so this is the, suppose this is the sea level, this is the sea level and this is the plane, this is the plane. Okay, and it is flying, the height is 5000 meter. Okay, means from sea level it is flying 5000 meter above. Okay, now at a particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So at a particular point it reached to the height where the submarine is at exactly, suppose this is submarine. Okay, it is exactly floating 1200 meter below the sea level. Okay, now our question is, what is the vertical distance between them? What is the vertical distance between them, this to this? This has been asked. Okay, so बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं ना, बुक में एक डायग्राम है, उसको देख के ऐसे, मतलब इधर 0 लिखा है और ऐसे नंबर लाइन की तरह मार्किंग किया गया है, और इधर ऑल्सो नंबर लाइन की तरह मार्किंग किया गया। तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं ना कि इसको पॉजिटिव ले लेते हैं, 5000 को 0 अबोव सी लेवल मीन्स पॉजिटिव, एंड 1200 को ले लेते हैं नेगेटिव। सो 5000 माइनस 1200 इक्वल्स टू 3800 मीटर। ठीक है, विच इज़ रॉन्ग, बिकॉज आपको क्या पता लगाना है? आपको पता लगाना है कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक डिस्टेंस क्या है, आपको डिफरेंस नहीं पता लगाना है। इधर से यहाँ तक क्या डिस्टेंस है, ठीक है? तो मैं ओके, सपोज हम इसको नेगेटिव में लेते हैं, ठीक है? दिस इज़ पॉजिटिव, दिस इज़ नेगेटिव, ठीक है? तो हमें यहाँ से यहाँ तक डिस्टेंस मीन्स डिफरेंस पता लगाना है। तो कैसे लगाएंगे? 5000 डिफरेंस मीन्स व्हाट, हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे ना। सो 5000 माइनस 1200 है ना, विच इज इक्वल्स टू 5000 प्लस 1200 विच इज इक्वल्स टू 6200 मीटर। तो दिस इज करेक्ट सॉल्यूशन। ठीक है, तो ऐसे मत करिएगा कि 5000 माइनस 1200 कर दिया और कुछ भी आंसर ले लिया, क्योंकि ये रॉन्ग है। ऐसे करते हैं, ठीक है? तो हमारा आंसर ये है 6200 मीटर। ठीक है, सो द वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम इज 6200 मीटर।